All right, guys, here we go. It's about 10:40 a.m. on the East Coast, and we have all of the indexes getting squashed. The S&P's down 1.4%, the Dow's down 0.7, same with the Russell, and the Nasdaq's down almost 2%, as the VIX is up almost 10%. Guys, this is nuts. And by the way, I apologize for my nasally voice. I have allergies right now. I don't know what's going on, man. My nose is stuffed. My eyes are puffed up. Guys, bear with me. We have to break a lot down here. Earnings, charts, what I'm looking to do. But first, hit the like button. Make sure to subscribe and get up to 15 stocks from Moomoo. Once you open up your account and fund it with at least $100, you get 5 stocks and a $30 cash reward, and fund your account with at least $1,000, you get 10 more stocks, and overall your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY, which, guys, that is the best deal on the market right now. So check out the link down below or go to StockSurfFest.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers. Let's get right into the video. So it's about 10:45 a.m. right now, and all of the indexes are getting squashed. I mean, pretty badly, especially the NASDAQ down 2%, and that's all because of Microsoft and Meta. Microsoft stock's down 6% right now. It's at $407 per share after being at $444 per share at the peak yesterday, initially after the earnings. So we are down almost $40 off the highs, or about 8 to 9%, which is a pretty decent drop here for Microsoft for the size of a company, for the company that it is, right? And Meta's also down, not as much, but it's down a little bit, 2.7%. It's at $576 per share, and Meta did well. I mean, they upped their guidance, I believe. They beat EPS, beat revenue. They're growing revenue 19% year over year. And again, I apologize about my allergies here, guys. I'm sounding a bit nasally right now. But Microsoft, let's see, what did they do again? I forget. Did they beat EPS and revenue? I'm pretty sure they did. It might be a guidance thing, though. Yeah, they beat EPS. They beat revenue. Let's see here, guys. I'm not seeing anything on guidance at the quick glance, at my first glance here. But either way, it's dragging down the entire stock market, right? And we got numbers from the unemployment claims this morning, and those were better than expected. Thankfully, I feel like if unemployment claims were awful, this red day could be even worse. But here we are. This is what's going on, guys. We do have some selling across the board. SPY is breaking under the 180 SMA for the first time in about a month and a half. Triple Q, if I pull this up, is also breaking under that point, the 180 SMA on the 4-hour time frame, and we're also breaking under this channel slightly on Triple Q, which isn't the best sign in the short term for the bulls. Now, we still have earnings coming out from Amazon. Amazon's reporting earnings today. This stock's down 3% right now. Apple is reporting earnings today as well after the bell. This stock's down about 1%. So if these come in strong, guys, these could help the market bounce back big time, no doubt, and recover a lot of this loss, because a lot of the loss right now is because of tech, thanks to the NASDAQ, thanks to Microsoft. That's why we're noticing a lot of red across the board. And now the VIX, guys, now the VIX is up over 11%. It's up even more. So let me show you guys some earnings from other companies this morning. By the way, hit the like button. Make sure to subscribe here on YouTube. Sign up to the email list as well. It's free. I'm sending you guys my top 3 stocks every single Monday right to your inbox. Link down below. No spam, no BS, straight up value. And again, it's free. So Uber reported earnings this morning, guys, and Uber stock is down 9.5%. So Uber's getting hit. Looks like they did. Where are the numbers, guys? Come on. Where are these numbers, guys? Oh, my goodness. Where are these freaking numbers? Oh, man. Come on. Looks like revenue of $11.19 billion. Excuse me, guys. Oh, man. I guess $11.19 billion of revenue. That beat the $10.97 billion expected. All right. Looks like EPS 46 cents, which beat the 41 cents expected. So double beat for Uber. But why is their stock down? Maybe Uber stock skids as gross bookings disappoint. Maybe it's gross bookings. Either way, this stock is now pretty oversold. I'm not going to lie. It is a falling knife. We're not getting a confirmation of a bounce back yet. Keep that in mind. But this could be definitely a relief rally candidate, kind of as the dust settles post earnings. I mean, guys, we're still technically in an uptrend. We're holding this channel right now. So keep that in mind on Uber here. Looks like we got earnings out of MasterCard as well. Their stock's down 2%. Also like Uber, it's holding the uptrend. Looking pretty good. Still well above the 180 SMA. We're looking great here on the charts on MA MasterCard. So they did adjusted EPS of $3.89 versus $3.74 expected. So that beat revenue. Let's see, $7.36 billion versus $7.27 billion. So double beat for MasterCard. Not too bad, guys. Not too shabby for MasterCard. And again, stock is holding the uptrend. We're above the 180 SMA. So let's see if we get a rally off of that moving average in due time. And Roblox, guys, oh man, it's breaking out to highs on the 4-hour chart. There's my voice crack for the video, guys. Cheers to that, by the way. Oh, right, man. I needed that coffee right there. Roblox up 17%. So they reported earnings this morning, obviously, and they did GAAP EPS of negative 37 cents versus negative 38 cents expected. So that beat. Sales $1.12 billion versus $1.02 billion, so double beat for Roblox, and they're expecting sales for Q4 of 1.33 to 1.36 versus crap, I lost my my plays. 1.02. All right, 1.02. Wow, so their sales guidance for Q4 is phenomenal. The full year guidance, it looks like, is very good as well. So double beat, and they raised their guidance. The main reason why the stock's going is because they raised their guidance. And here we are, breaking out on Roblox. Shout out to all the shareholders. I wouldn't buy it necessarily here, but yeah, the momentum, no doubt, is astounding. That is building up right now. And Peloton, man, you guys remember that company? Well, their stock's up 24% today after reporting earnings. Looks like they appointed Ford executive as their CEO. And by the way, guys, I haven't been really tracking Peloton too much, but let me see here. Where the heck are their numbers, guys? What's going on with Thinkorswim these days? Why are they not posting the numbers as much? Or maybe I'm just an idiot. Looks like they see full year revenue of $2.4 to $2.5 billion. Looks like they did revenue, or they see Q2 revenue of $640 to $660 million. So I'm assuming it's a guidance thing as to why their stock is going. Looks like they lost 15 cents on the quarter. Not really seeing the revenue here, maybe $586 million of revenue. But yeah, it's breaking out. It's looking really good. Momentum's building up. Same with, Roblox, pretty much very similar on the charts. and I'm watching it, guys. I'm not buying it here, but maybe on the pullback as a trade, I would consider it. So that is a quick 10-minute rundown on what's going on right now this morning on the charts, some earnings, what I'm looking at really. So what do you guys think? I'm curious. Let me know in the comments. Hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe. And shout out to everybody that's joined the Patreon. I appreciate all of the support. I'm growing my private portfolio on there. There's a Discord chat. I post my charts and ideas throughout the week. So if you guys want to be a part of it, check out the link down below or go to stassrfs.com/Patreon. I'll see you guys on the inside. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you there.